I've been publishing videos on YouTube now for over 3 months, and what do I have to show for it in terms of watch hours? 150. But I'm not even trying to hit those 4,000 watch hours that you need for monetization. I'm done chasing watch hours. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why I think you should be too. If you're a small creator on YouTube, then you'll know how demoralizing it can be to be looking at that target of 4,000 watch hours while your own watch hours are barely making traction. But here's the thing, I realise that constantly chasing watch hours and AdSense is probably the slowest and least effective way of generating real revenue from your YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to walk through the shift that I have made that's not only far less stressful, but also way more motivating and profitable in the long run. We've all heard it, right? Get the 1,000 subscribers, get 4,000 watch hours in a 365-day period, and boom, you're monetized. But here's the harsh reality that very few people talk about. AdSense for small channels is barely anything. You can spend months or years getting yourself to the point where you're monetized, putting in that grind, churning out those videos, and when you finally get there, you might be making 50 quid a month, £100 a month. It's hardly enough to live on. It's not to say that AdSense is a bad thing, it's just to say that for small channels, trying to achieve that can take so long, and when you get there, it can be really underwhelming. The other trap that we can fall into when we start to chase watch hours is that we focus on quantity over quality. And by that I mean we might start looking at putting out 3 or 4 videos a week that are 20 minutes long, hoping that people are going to watch them for their full duration. But realistically, if you're trying to build a YouTube channel, the chances are you're probably doing it on the side of a full-time job anyway. You might have other commitments such as a family. So where do you find the time to create that many videos but without sacrificing on quality? The truth is we probably don't. And a lot of those videos are going to be rushed and they're going to come across rushed when people watch them. And ironically, we don't get the watch hours because people click on it, realize it's not that good a video, and then they click away. And perhaps more importantly than that, they don't subscribe to your channel. I had to ask myself, why did I start this YouTube channel in the first place? And cards on the table, I'm looking to make money from it. I want to supplement my income or ideally replace my 9 to 5. But the more I learnt about YouTube, the more I realised that AdSense alone was not going to get me to that point. If I really want my YouTube channel to become a business, I need to create revenue streams that are actually going to generate an income that I can live from, not just small payouts that rely heavily on watch hours. So here's the shift that I've made. Instead of focusing on watch hours, I'm focusing on building an audience. Focusing less on mass producing videos to try and get watch hours and instead trying to put my effort into making less videos that are of better quality and add more value and that are more likely to attract subscribers. When you start to think of subscribers as potential future customers who may be interested in purchasing a higher ticket offering that you might offer in the future, then all your focus goes on to making videos that suit those people. And ultimately, isn't that what YouTube's all about anyway? It's about creating for the viewer. It's about giving something to them that they find valuable. Consistently showing up every week and offering videos of value to your viewers is what encourages people to invest in you as a channel, to subscribe to your channel. They're putting their confidence in you, that they trust you to deliver content to them that they hold in high regard. And the beauty of this approach is that by building up your channel in terms of subscribers and building videos that people actually enjoy watching, those videos are going to get pushed more by YouTube, and therefore those watch hours are naturally going to come anyway as a byproduct. But most importantly, I can actually start to generate income from a YouTube channel long before I actually qualify for AdSense. This mindset shift has been a game changer. Instead of getting deflated at how few watch hours I gain from each video, instead of studying the analytics and seeing how few watch hours I'm getting from each video and getting deflated, instead I view each video that I create as a building block for my business. It's putting something of real value in front of people and gaining new potential customers. If that video doesn't hit right and people click away, then you've lost their business effectively. Now, that can sound a little bit intimidating because we all know that people will find your videos and a lot of people will click away. But the more people who don't click away, who watch it and who subscribe to the channel, these are people who could be customers in the future. And honestly, growing the channel through subscribers already feels far more achievable than hitting those 4,000 watch hours. In the first 3 months of my channel, I grew my channel to 100 subscribers. And in the further month from beyond that, I've actually gone up to almost 170. So I can see that growth happening, and it feels real. It's a far clearer goal. It's people rather than hours. Every time someone subscribes to my channel, it's like they're saying, I believe in what you're building. And that's way more energizing than looking at a progress bar that shows I'm nowhere near the amount of watch hours I need for AdSense. So if you're a small creator on YouTube and you're feeling stuck, my advice is to not obsess over AdSense. Don't obsess about getting monetized. Instead, focus on building that audience through offering real value. Create offers for that audience and turn your channel into a proper business. And when AdSense does come, look at it as a bonus rather than the overall goal. The sooner you shift your mindset from getting monetized to actually growing a business, the sooner you'll see that you can achieve your goals. The sooner that you will see real progress. If you're ready to stop chasing watch hours and actually grow your channel to build a business, drop a comment of build into the comments and I'll respond. I'm documenting the journey of taking a small channel and growing it into a business. If you're on the same path as me, hit subscribe and we'll go on that journey together. We're not here for the vanity metrics. We're here to build assets. Let's do it.